Hey guys, help me to make some quinoa and red beans for the very first time. So if you're tired of eating rice and peas, this is a good substitute, okay? So first off, I'm gonna have my saucepan and I'm gonna add 1 can coconut milk. Then I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to the saucepan. Then I'm going to season my coconut milk. So I'm going to add some garlic, some fresh thyme that I picked from my garden. Then I'm going to add some green onions. You can put them in whole or chopped, depends on your preference. So now I am now going to add some Badia complete seasoning. So you can season to your preference. So whatever you wish to use, then you can use those seasonings. Okay. Now I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Yep, you can't go wrong when using Maggi all-purpose seasoning, guys. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna stir and combine all the seasonings. You can add a bit of salt, but again, it's to your preference and you know how you like your food seasoned. So then I'm gonna put the sauce pan on the fire. Oh, almost forgot. Add some pimento. You know, you can't cook rice and peas or quinoa and peas without some pimento. And you can just add a Scotch bonnet pepper to your sauce as well. So now, once the coconut milk is boiled, then I'm gonna strain or drain a can of red kidney beans and add that to the pot to ensure the beans are cooked a little bit longer. Once the beans are cooked to your preference, and you're going to wash some quinoa, or some quinoas may already come pre-rinsed, but you know, the Jamaican in me, we wash everything. So you add the quinoa to the mixture and stir to combine everything together, and you let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the quinoa is cooked. Yep, so here my quinoa is cooked nice and fluffy, and again, you cook to your desired texture and how you like it. So I must say, I did it. It came out perfectly for the very first time, and it was oh so delicious. So you can try this again, guys, if you're tired of rice and peas. Thanks for watching.